Okay, Hamster CEOs. So let's say you wake up one morning, as usual, you open your Hamster Kombat account to mine, and you get a message like this. You get feedback like this. So disheartening, right? At this point, what are you going to do? When you wait till you get this message, it means it's too late. So in this particular episode, we are going to look at why Hamster Kombat might block your account. In fact, based on my research, based on experience, using past projects as parameters, I've identified two main activities which I think from 70 to 90% of hamster CEOs are already victims. But hey, I'm not here as only a problem identifier, okay? After we've identified and discussed the problems, I'm also going to give you solutions, right, on how you can get rid of those activities before that day. Don't wait till your account gets banned. So please, if today is your first time coming across a content on my channel, this is Crypto Fountain. I usually make videos on crypto airdrops, on how each and every one of you guys can make money in the crypto space without spending any form of money at all. So if you love content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Do well to like the video. Please, let's push this video to 100 likes. Okay, so smash that like button, and not only that, comment your country in the comment section for me. Let's ride on, guys. So as I was saying, guys, for now there are two main activities, two main offensive acts which will make Hamster Kombat block your account, and we are going to discuss them. Number one is having multiple accounts. So you see, guys, if you have multiple accounts, trust me, there are two things involved. There is the safe side and there's also the unsafe side. So stay with me, don't go anywhere. We'll discuss both in this particular video. And the second way, or the second activity, if you are a victim, Hamster Kombat is likely going to block your account, is using auto clicker. Take very good note of this, okay? So when we come to the auto clickers, there are two different types. We will also come to that. So for now, let's take a critical look at having multiple accounts. Let's discuss it so you know your fate as from today, and you also know what to do. Now, as I said earlier, if you have multiple accounts in Hamster Kombat, trust me, let's say you have multiple accounts but in different phones. Let's say on the device with which you are watching this very video, you have Hamster Kombat on it, on your Telegram account, and you also have another phone somewhere different from the one you are using. You have another Hamster Kombat account on that phone, different phones. Even if you have 5 phones, you have different Hamster Kombat accounts on each and every one of them. Trust me, guys, you are safe. There's nothing to worry about, okay? But hey, if you have multiple accounts in one phone, now listen, different phones have different IP address. So if your accounts are on different phones, trust me, guys, each and every phone has its own IP address, and that's what the Hamster Kombat team is going to detect. Don't forget, these guys are tech gurus, okay? But when it comes to the situation where you have multiple accounts on one phone, trust me, these guys are going to detect different accounts with one IP address. So the team is going to detect different accounts with same IP address, and that's where your account might get blocked. So don't wait till they block you, guys. Don't wait at all, okay? I remember I saw a video here on when someone was teaching about how to get unlimited referrals, advising miners to download parallel space or dual space, an app which allows you to clone different Telegram accounts. Remember, you do all this in the name of referrals, the account is going to be left idle, okay? And trust me, this is a sign for these guys to detect your other accounts as bots, and at the end you might get even the account you use most, you like most, being blocked. So make sure you follow the video, you follow everything I'm going to teach you here in this particular video. So what are you going to do if you have multiple accounts in one phone? Do this, guys. For now, let me use this particular phone I'm using to cite an example for you guys. Okay, so let me go back and then I'll show you something, right? Okay, so if I should come to this page and then click on the menu, you can see I have two accounts here. So do this, guys. I have two different Telegram accounts here, and on each of every one of them I have Hamster Kombat accounts, meaning I have two accounts here, and the team is going to detect these two accounts with one IP address, and trust me, I might get blocked. So for you to write safe, there are also two things involved. There's the safe side and also the risk side. So let's discuss the risk side first. Now, for some people, they only do this for referral. Let's say there's a card you want to unlock, and due to your inability to secure a referral spot to do that, you created a different account with a different number on the same phone. Do this, guys. Do this now. The risk side of staying safe is always logging into this different account and performing the task. For that, these guys might detect, oh, it's a human being using this, because the account has been performing daily combo, daily stuff, like the account is active. Okay, that's if you, okay, let me switch to this account. You switch to that account and you are mining on daily basis. For that, the account isn't going to stay idle, right? So it's likely you might be spared. Okay, but as I said earlier, this approach is very risky. Now let's move on to the safer side. So at the safer side, you can see I've chosen the second account that I don't normally open. Okay, so let me open this account and show you something. As you can see, this account is even at the epic level with 37.2k profit per hour. Trust me, guys, why will I let an account, a mega accumulated coins account like this, cause a problem for my main account to be blocked? I'll never do that. So to stay safe, do this. Now on this very account, just let me go back. Okay, this is what you are going to do, guys. So on this account, I'm talking about the second account, right? I'll go to the menu section here. Now when you go to menu, scroll down and then select settings, right? So just click on settings. On settings, scroll down till you find data and storage. Okay, till you find data and storage, guys. So at this point, all you have to do here is to click on storage. Now click on this guy here. Click on this guy. Right, you can see I have 287.6 megabytes. So just clear the cache. Okay, this folder or this system contains all the activities you've been doing on the phone, right? So make sure you clear this, and after doing this and getting this green tick feedback, go back and do this. After clearing the cache or the cache, however you call it, you come back here, just select this guy here, right? And at this point, log out from this account, right? So just click on log out and then you select it. You log out from the account in peace, and now you will be left with only one account. At this point, trust me, you are safe. Please don't just log out or don't just delete the account. Make sure you clear the data as I showed you. Now after logging out, clearing the cache and logging out, if you have a different phone, trust me, you can log in with this account on that phone and then continue mining, guys. It's as simple as ABC. For that, these guys are going to detect a different IP address associated with a different account. I hope I've made myself clear here. So the second offense I talked about was the use of auto clicker. And guys, when it comes to auto clickers, there are two types. We have the external one which needs to be connected to electricity in order to function. And we also have the internal one, which can just be downloaded from Play Store, be connected to the account, and it will also be clicking for you. Guys, both of these tools are not safe, trust me. Now let's observe something. If you are tapping on your Hamster Kombat interface as a human with your finger, trust me, if you should tap on the screen 10 times, you will not be, it can't happen in a way that you can tap on the same spot continuously 10 times. At least you tap different spots, right? So that's how they detect human tapping. If you are using auto clicker, trust me guys, it can tap like 1,000 times for you at the same spot. So that's how it's risky using auto clickers, and these guys are poised to rewarding real human beings and not bots. Okay, so guys, please refrain from using auto clickers. If you are already a victim, this is what you are going to do. Follow the process we used when we were getting rid of the second account. Go to settings, go to storage, clear the cache, log out, and then re-log in. Log in again and start mining. This time no auto clicker. I hope I've made myself clear here, guys. Make sure you do this in order not to lose your account. Trust me, Hamster Kombat listing, launching, cashing out from this particular project is around the corner. So don't be engaged in anything that will deter you from this financial breakthrough. Make sure you work hard, be performing your daily combo, your daily cipher, your daily login rewards. There's even a new update on Hamster Kombat. Can you see that? The skins that we can be buying. Okay, I'll make a separate video on this in the next video, or you can drop ready, comment ready in the comment section if you want to explain this new interface and also guide you on the best decision. Though I'm not a financial advisor, for Christ's sake, all right? So make sure everything you do after watching this video is at your own risk. The video is only for education purpose, but trust me, with experience and guided activities, relying on Crypto Fountain, subscribing to our channel, turning on the notification button, and always looking up to us, we are going to give it to you back to back, and we are only going to drop salient updates that will shape your crypto mining world. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Until next time, be safe.